Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kilani and welcome back to another video. I know it has been a while, you guys, since I uploaded. I think it's been like a month now, but I was like traveling and then I came back, and honestly there's not really an excuse for it, but life has been just happening. So I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try it again, you know, to keep my schedule on posting every Wednesdays for you guys. So my bad. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a collection that came a little while ago. I think maybe like a month, 2 months ago. I'm not sure. I've had it for a little while, but I just haven't been able to film with it. It is the Urban Decay and Prince collection. It was kind of iconic when it dropped, so I really wanted to try it out because I did receive it from Urban Decay. This is what the PR looks like. This is what I received from them. Right here it says Urban Decay Prince, and when we open it up, that was really loud probably on my mic, I apologize. When we open it up, we have the products inside. It has like his eyes on the side, which is like actually really cool. And then we have the products inside. So inside we actually have 2 eyeshadow palettes. We have 2 eye pencils, a black one and a white one. We have a liquid illuminator. We have a brush, and then we also have a powder. I already have my base, as you guys can see, but I did use the liquid illuminizer like prior to applying my foundation, and it gave me a really nice glow. You know what I mean? You guys can see the glow. I'm not wearing any highlighter, so yeah, this is what I used on my base. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just like show you guys a look with the eyeshadows. And I think it's so great because Urban Decay is such like a purple. When I think of Urban Decay, I think of purple, and Prince also used to love purple as well, so kind of like correlated really well, I think. And okay, so I don't know which palette I'm gonna be using today actually, you guys, because if you guys follow me on Instagram, I am doing like a color cohesive kind of page, and we're not in the purples right now. We're really not. So, and we're not gonna get into purples maybe like after the next color. I think it's purple. So you're probably not gonna see this look on Instagram for a while, but I did want to share it on my YouTube channel with you guys today. So, but if you guys would like to continue seeing what the look ends up looking like and how the shadows work, then just keep on watching this video. Okay, so this is what both palettes look like. On the top we have the black palette, and then on the bottom we have the purple one. They both come with a mirror, and then they also have like one of his eyes on each side, on the side, which looks amazing. Okay, so the bottom one also obviously has more purple than the one on top. The one on top has a little bit more gold, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of bronze, so a little bit more color, I guess, like deep colors. I might use both of them today. I don't even know what I'm doing, honestly, but do I ever? We're going to figure it out together, I guess. But okay, let me get my eyes ready for some shadow. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and take the black palette, and I'm going to take the shade right here, this nude shade that is called Love to the Nines. Love to the Nines, okay. It's like a brown nude shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. This is gonna be my transition shade. So now I'm gonna take the purple palette, and I'm gonna go with the shade Funk Roll, which is a darker purple shade, and I'm going to apply it on like the outer, you know, the outer crease of my eye. Why do I mumble so much? I don't know. Sorry guys. I'm gonna go back with the purple palette and take this color. It's called DMSR. It's like a lighter shimmery purple shade. And I'm going to apply it on the inner corners of my eye. Okay, this is looking so cute. Okay, so from the purple palette as well, I'm gonna take When Doves Cry, which is a white shade pretty much, kind of shimmery as well. So that one right there in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my inner corners. I applied the color in the inner corner When Doves Cry on my brow bone as well, just to give the brow bone a little bit of highlight. And I'm pretty much done with the look on the eyes. I'm gonna take the powder now. This is what the powder looks like, and I am going to apply it under my eyes just to kind of dust off anything that might have fallen from the shadows, even though I didn't have really that much fallout. Just to brighten up the under eye. Out of the two liners, I'm gonna go ahead and take the white one. Pretty thick, they're pretty big. And I am going to apply it on my waterline. Okay, you guys, and I went ahead and I added some lashes. I am wearing, because I know I'll get asked, I'm wearing Beauty Creations Daydream lashes. I love these lashes. I've talked about them so many times. They're super affordable and they're bomb, and they have so many different styles. I feel a little batty right now because I haven't worn lashes in a while now, so watch out, watch out. But anyways, you guys, this is the look. I feel like this video was pretty quick, pretty to the point. I just wanted to really just create a look with this palette and show you guys. The colors are beautiful. I love purples, so it used to be my favorite color back in the day actually. Love purples. Love the little shimmeries. They blended out really super nice and super easy. The liner, you guys see that white? Like, that is white, okay? So I really like the liner, and yeah, I really like this collection. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. And if you guys want to be reminded every time I upload a video, make sure to hit that bell notification on. If you guys would like to stay updated with moi, make sure you guys come and follow me on my Instagram. My name is Kilani K, same as here. Would love to see you guys over there. But anyways, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys made it all the way to the end, thank you guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.